say we play superhero today.
What? Huh? But Jack, I thought today we were gonna play house.
Let's play house, okay? All right, I guess so.
Okay, I'm gonna play the mom.
Okay, Mommy.
Listen up, kids. It's dinner time.
Listen up. It's time for dinner.
Hey, what do you think you're doing, Jack?
Hey, what do you think you're doing, Jack?
Hey, Jack, stop copying me.
Hey, Jack, stop copying me.
That's not nice. Why do you keep doing that?
That's not nice. Why do you keep doing that?
That's not nice.
What?
Why do you keep doing that?
Did you just copy what I said?
Did you just copy what I said?
You're really good at copying people. What's your name?
I'm the best copier in the forest. My name is Parrot.
Wow! What a cool talent!
A cool talent?
Huh?
Then try to copy this, Parrot. Superhero cartwheel. Hi-ya! Wah!
Sure thing. This looks like it's gonna be fun. Superhero cartwheel. Hi-ya-ya! Wah! Yo! Wah!
Amazing! Guys, it's like we have two Jacks. I'm leaving.
I'm leaving.
Oh.
Hello there, neighbor. We're the Parrot family. We just moved in. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Katuri. Nice to meet you.
What a lovely house you have here. Now say hello, baby parrot. Oh. Oh. Where did my baby go? Oh.
Right, let's see if you can do this.
All right, let's see if you can do this.
Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah!
Hero speed! Hey, I already told you to stop following. There's a hole in the road. Whoa! Look what you did. You made us fall in the pit.
Look what you did. You made us fall in the pit.
All right, it's time to get out. Oh.
Yeah.
I told you, stop copying me.
But I wasn't copying you that time. I think we're really stuck down here.
Oh. Aha! Someone's gotta be close by. If we shout loud enough, someone will hear it. A little help here!
A little help here!
Maybe we're not loud enough. That's it! We can use our combined superpowers to yell really, really loud!
Like superheroes! Combined powers!
Super team!
Superhero yell!
Someone help us!
And again!
Someone help us! Can anyone hear us?
Baby Parrot? Huh, he was here with us before, but then he left with Jack that way.
Oh, the boys must be in trouble.
My baby!
Jack!
Mommy!
Jack!
Jack! Baby Parrot! Hey!
Are you two okay?
Both okay, thank you.
Parrot, you didn't copy Jack that time.
Well, because I'm not gonna be a copycat again.
Me too. Hey, Katuri, I'm sorry.
Jack, I accept your apology.
What a bunch of pleasant pheasants. Hey, I know what we can all do. Let's have a party at our house to celebrate making new friends.
Wow!
That sounds great! Superhero power!
Here, subscribe to our channel.